Hello, I'm Andrew Duncan, and today I'm going to show you how to put a new knob onto your Le Creuset lid. There are two sizes that Le Creuset supply for the knobs, and on our website you've got details of which sizes go on which pans. It is a very simple job, but from time to time you'll need to do it because these knobs are made from a plastic called phenolic, which is a heat-proof plastic, and eventually with old age they become brittle, and that's when they break. So removing them is easy, but you do need a screwdriver. Loosen off the screw underneath. It's just a plain single slot screw. Put your finger on it like that and then undo the old knob. The bolt will drop out and you're ready to put the new knob on. The easiest way to do it is to put the screw through from underneath, like that. Again, put your finger on it to stop it from falling out, turn it over, and most of this is a hand thing, just start the thread off like that, and for the most part it doesn't need any more tightening than that, and in fact you should not use a screwdriver to tighten it up because you then stand the chance of cracking the enamel around the back there. Hand tightness is more than enough, and if you feel it getting loose at any point you can tighten it up by hand. That's plenty of pressure to apply, and that is it. Job done.